Hi, I'm Paul Carroll, technical writer for Digital Photo Magazine, and welcome to this Camera Craft video tip on how to handle a DSLR. Failing to hold your DSLR properly as you press the shutter button means you run the risk of moving the camera at that vital point of exposure, and this can result in the soft and blurry pictures that no one wants. That's why top photographers use a sturdy tripod for every shot. They're not always convenient though, and if you need to shoot without one, ensuring you're holding your DSLR properly will give you a much better chance of sharp shots. Start by holding the camera in your right hand, placing your index finger on the shutter button, resting your thumb on the rear, and then using the remaining 3 fingers to grip the hand grip. Then support your DSLR from underneath with the palm of your left hand, which leaves your thumb and index finger free to control your zoom and focus rings. Tuck in your elbows to provide some extra support, and when you're ready to capture the shot, take a small breath and hold for a couple of seconds while you gently squeeze the shutter button. And if you've just hiked up a massive hill, give yourself a little time to settle first, because it can be difficult to keep the camera still if your heart's going like the clappers. Then, when you need to change to a portrait shooting position, simply hold the camera in the same way, but adopt the overhand grip by moving your right hand over the top of the camera and keeping your left hand supporting it from underneath. Then you can quickly and easily change between a horizontal and vertical shooting position. If you need to shoot lower down, you can develop the technique using a kneeling position and resting your left elbow on your left knee. You can also try sitting, where you can really plant those elbows for additional support. Or, for a really low position, even try lying on the ground for a rock solid base. And don't forget that essential bin liner to protect your clothes. Another great tip is to improvise and keep a keen eye out for any solid structures like trees, walls or gates like this, which you can use to rest your camera on. But if there's no flat surface, you can always use them to lean against and steady yourself while you take the shot. Then once you've bagged the shot, review the image on the LCD screen, but zoom in tightly on the area that should be in sharp focus. And if it's looking soft, think about your handling technique, then frame up and take the shot again. I hope you've really enjoyed this Camera Craft video tip on handling your DSLR. Take some time to practice your own handling technique. We really don't want to see you holding your camera like this or like this, and then you can look forward to pin sharp shots in the future. Okay, cheers.